What's up, guys? So today is packing day. Today's the last day I'm gonna have to do anything that I want to do. We're gonna get all packed, ready to go to the hospital. Tomorrow is line day, so I'll have a Hickman catheter right here. That's going to happen about 1 o'clock. So I'll have a little bit of the day to myself, and we'll go to UAB hospital. And after that, we'll have to keep a watch on that, and then they'll let me know when I'm supposed to come down for admission. I've already been pre-admitted, so all I gotta do is show up with my stuff. I went to Walmart and I got excuse me, man, I just had some pancakes. And that stuff wants to stick in your throat. I went to Walmart and I got some long distance vision glasses. It was a different prescription. These are for close up, and the ones that are coming are for sitting in a room watching watching videos, TV and stuff. So the other night, oh man, Saturday night when I left work for the last time, when the FMLA started, that was a very stressful time. Man, just, been there 14, 15 years. And, just looking around the room, it was stressful knowing that was my last time I was going to be leaving there for the next 100 days, at least. Talked to my boss the other day, that's all good, and they're going to make things work. Could be 4 or 5 months, but everybody's aware. But we're shooting for 3 months and to bounce back really well. Got a lot of people praying for me all over the place. And that's good. I don't have a whole lot to say today other than y'all pray for me. Keep the prayers coming. But tomorrow, pray for me about 1 o'clock. That's when they're going to be doing the thing, the catheter for the chemo and stuff. That's it. Peace out. Treat each other good. Love each other. And, you never know what tomorrow's bringing. So I will chat with y'all tomorrow with a new video. Hopefully. Probably tomorrow afternoon. After I get the catheter and I wake up from all the drugs and stuff.